Hey everyone, Happy New Year. Louis here from Steadfast Construction and Design with our final conversion update on this HMO conversion here in Birmingham. Would like to say thank you so much for all the people who've been supporting us and following us from inception to this final stage now. If you are one of those people, please say hello, tell us what you think. You're in for a good surprise today. So in regards to being at this final stage, we're now completing the snagging work. It means that we're basically ensuring that we're handing over a nicely packaged product to the owner so that they can start to market the property, get these property let, and they of course are relying on us to have provided a quality product so it stays let and people are happy living there. So if you're going to market a property, you really need to understand the customers. So what a tenant's going to want, they want somewhere that's safe, they want somewhere that looks modern, and they want to ensure that things in the background are taken care of in regards to the construction work. So you'll see that we've put a lot of time, effort, taken leaps and bounds, put heart, sweat and tears into it. So I think you'll be really impressed with how it's coming along. Again, we are at snagging stage, so there is still some work being carried out, but let's go inside and have a look. Okay, so at the outside of the property, all the soil is gone, the rubbish is gone, which is great. We've filled in the trench now where the new water supply will be, put the patio down, and that's now being cleaned. And I'll skip here, so all being tidied up after we've been at the property. There's the patio being cleaned down the side alleyway, waiting for the water board to come out and connect it up to the main water connection in the road. Patio clean, and let's go inside. I'm going to come in through the front here, and the tenant's going to find nice, spacious, bright spaces. You can just see them getting excited to come in here. Again, we're doing snagging. On the right here, they'll find the fire alarm panel which receives and transmits information. We've got the call point here, all stuff that they probably wouldn't notice, but as this is a commercial property, it does need to have a commercial fire alarm system in here. You'll start to see some of the detectors and smoke alarms as we go through, so that may stand out, but all important for the tenant's safety. The first bedroom here, it should speak for itself with all the space and the light that's just pouring in here. If I'm a tenant that maybe thinks, oh no, a HMO, I don't know if I want to live there, I want my own space, to have my own appliances, well, here you go. You've got some space, plenty of space, fantastic worktops, hard vinyl tiles, and wall units, ground units, splashboard area, ensuite area as well, powerful showers, masses of space in there, all modern, all sealed up, so the property can sustain itself for many years to come with all the water circulating through and exiting out. We've got the LED mirrors here, which are just an absolute gorgeous feature in these en-suites. Again, masses of space in here, I think you'll agree. Coming into the second bedroom, this has been painted over, again had its second coat, radiators on en-suites in here, kitchenettes in here. Second fix of the electric work's been completed, second fix of the plumbing been completed as well. All functioning. All the toilets work, all the sinks work, all the showers work, the extraction fans work as well, to help stop any sort of mould. So again, really helping with the longevity in the property. And of course we're going to be glossing the doors as well. This staircase has been glossed and sanded down. New carpets down, we've seen some of them on the last video that were folded over, rolled up, but now they have been applied down. Boiler now. So we are there with the boiler system, just need to have the final wiring completed in here, and then we'll be able to pump out some heat in the property. Absolute fantastic plumbing work here, all circulating round to the cylinder system, boiler system, central heating for the radiators, hot water for the showers. Got the pumps, the valves in there, and this will be locked away, so nothing to do with the tenants having a look around in there. And it does have a fire door on here, and it will have the fire strips as well, but as you can see, very sturdy system, haven't skimped in any way. The system will just last for years and generations with easy maintenance. If one of them does break down, there's another system to back it up, so there'll never be a loss of hot water through the property, which is great news. Good for longevity, good for reducing any complaints. And let's go into the kitchen. I'm a tenant, seen other HMOs, bit cramped. I'm thinking, you know, I probably want long kitchen surfaces. I don't want to be tripping over people when I'm using appliances. I don't want to be tripping over people when I'm getting to the oven. Well, we have plenty of sockets, really long work surface here, loads of units for each of the rooms, double oven, double hobs, double extraction fans, masses of space, and then we've got the kitchen sinks, 2 kitchen sinks as well, so nobody's tripping over each other in here. And then we have space for washing machine and dryer as well, and nice exit to the garden. Really bright room, 2 windows in here, and fantastic LED lights which just look great. Really encourage you to come on these property tours and have a look at this yourself, and you'll see that everything's been nicely beaded off, and these doors have soft closers, so really encourage you to come along, get hands on. I'll just zoom in on these tiles, you would have seen them. It's about as good as it's going to get. Lots of bragging rights in this property. I don't know what else people are looking at, but this is the only HMO they should be looking at in Moseley. I'm a potential tenant looking for something maybe a bit more self-contained, maybe a bit more private, easy access to the garden. This is the room I would be sharing the tenant as a landlord. They have their own corridor coming into the room, fire door on the outside, cool point out there, ventilated in the corridor to help stop with any sort of smell or dampness. We have access to the garden, thumb turn locks so they can easily get out. Snagging work being completed in here, so we've primed over the copper pipes, but we have these powerful massive showers in here, stainless steel looking great throughout, boxed off the soil pipes, toilet, showers, sinks all working. Second fix complete, extraction fan, LED lights, LED mirror. This is one I'd be jumping at if I wanted something a bit more self-contained. Gloss work being carried out there, and quality handles as well. Bit of bling. Stairs, all nice and bright. Sensor lights up here, nothing gloomy about this HMO. Snagging work being completed in there. Glossed rails. Fantastic finish on there. And into the 5th room. Abundance of light. Kitchenette area, really accommodating. Ensuite area with gloss door. We have the finish you would come to expect at Steadfast. Just stainless steel all over. Working toilets, working radiators, all pressure tested, working showers, taps, heat your towel on there after you've had your shower. Get the floor as wet as you like, it's all waterproof and won't swell. Hard vinyl tiles. Landing now, spacious, high ceilings, sensor light. Sparks are on site now to get these final lights and fixtures all complete. Now that we've completed the bulk of the decorating, We've got a nice gloss door here, shaved at the bottom of the door because the carpet's now in that we've been able to do. Spacious shower area, yeah, just glistening. It's just ready for somebody to live in here for years with no complaint. Not like the other HMOs where you come, maybe stay for a season, 6 months, a year. I think this is certainly much more of a long-term place, and especially if you're lucky enough to come across this large bedroom and put your name to it. Don't want anybody else getting this one. This has got lots and lots of bragging rights in here. You got your ensuite and you got your double windows. Really, really spacious, really bright. Double glazing, so really quiet in here. And again, if you come on a property tour, you'll be really impressed with this one. Fire door here, thumb turn locks, kitchenette station. Put your appliances on there, fridge underneath. Got the wall unit with the cornices on, beaded down the sides, looking fantastic. And lots of space in there as well for any storage. So an abundance of light, an abundance of storage, an abundance of space in your ensuite shower. What more could you ask for? Up to the loft space, up the stairs. You can find here some ladders leading up to the new Velux that's been fitted. So we got rid of that old ugly lantern that was here and leaking. Got up on the roof and we put our own stamp on it, and now we're going to be boarding over the edges here just with fascia board, and then painting over that, beading it over, painting around the outside. And that'll be the new Velux, providing lots of light to this stairway up to the loft. So as you come up here, you got your fire door, thumb turn locks on the outside. We'll be putting a door closer on here. We have found that this does tend to hit the ceiling, but once door closes on, that just won't be possible. Behind here, made the most of the space with tea station area. Really good choice by the landlord, not skimping. So if I'm in the loft and I want a cup of tea, I don't know if I want to go down 2 flights of stairs just to do that, so I can easily do that. Right up here, my own tea station with an abundance of storage, an abundance of worktop. And then if I turn behind me, I've got double sockets. I've got 1, I've got 2, 3, 4 with a USB as well. I've got 2 radiators, so it's going to be really warm in here in the winter months. I'm going to find extra space down here that was historically had a wall which we've taken down, a stud wall, we've taken that down, so there's more space in here. Got double windows, so nice and warm, even though this is the top room. And insulated underneath, recycled the joists, and woodwork underneath as well. Got the ensuite area with a quadrant shower, beaded over, got the radiators on, all pressure tested, taps all working, LED lights nice and bright. I'll just zoom up. That's your LED light. Fantastic finish on top of all the gloss work, paint work that we're doing to help package this up and provide really good finish on all the fabric throughout the property. So that's the loft area there. So I'm at the top of the stairs now, coming into room 4. Just showing you the bulkhead here. That has a new sensor light on here, all nice and bright. Historically, this property only had 2 toilets. This here was the entrance to that toilet area upstairs. Can you imagine this actually being a HMO historically with only 1 toilet up here? That's now a distant memory. So coming into the fourth room, carpets down, all laid, all flat. Radiators in here, nice large radiators, not keeping the room all warm. And then again, an abundance of light. Tea station over here, double sockets, and ensuite area, which is nice and bright with LED lights. Shower over here, height adjustable, does come right down, does go right up, so if you're 6 foot or 4 foot, you're fine. Got your sink that's working, basin, LED light, toilet, and radiator as well with extraction fan. And we're just completing the gloss work. I think you can probably see the reflection off here, looking fantastic. So there we are, thank you so much for joining us on this week's conversion update. As you can see, there's been such a transformation of the property over 12 weeks now, so that brings us to the end of this conversion. Once all the snagging is done, we'll have a nice deep clean, get all the tools and materials out of the property, and then the property will just speak for itself and won't have any problem on the market, I think. Property is located near the town centre area. It's got an abundance of light, abundance of space, an abundance of hot water that's going to be through the property as well. So if you're somebody who has a HMO and you want your property converted, you want peace of mind, you want as little complaints as possible, we can help. We can start off by showing you around our properties, we can help you with designing the properties, we can help you with the construction, so we can help you have peace of mind and sleep more soundly at night time. This is us checking out. Thank you so much again for joining us. Please do leave your comments, we'd be really pleased to hear. If you have any questions, please do ask. In the meantime, have a great weekend. And this is us checking out here at Steadfast and Construction, and we look forward to having you join us on the next property, which will be starting next week as well. All right, take care, bye for now.